Hi everyone, how are you today? Good, are you ready to talk about the grammar of English and reported speech? Yes? Let's go on. Now, how, when and when do we use it? We use reported speech, look, to tell someone what another person said, but we don't use their exact words because we're repeating what they said. See the example. Leela said she wanted to watch TV. Actually, Leela said, hey, I want to watch TV. And then, so if we repeat or report her words, we would say this. She said she wanted to watch TV. Don't forget this. And in the first place, we don't use quotation marks because it is indirect speech. Then, the most common verbs used for statements, that is, positive sentences, are these: say, tell, explain, inform, answer, decide, etc., normally followed by that. And please remember that verb tenses, pronouns, and some time and place expressions, words change because the speaker, time and place may be different. And the change they make is commonly known as back shift, because they go back in time. Now look at indirect questions, which is the issue today. They make a sound both impersonal and polite, and they're normally preceded by these expressions that you can see here. He asked me, he wanted to know, he wondered, he was interested to know, can you tell me, he happened to know. So all of them, as you can see, are a sort of introductory mini little sentence. Now, the verbs most commonly used to report requests, orders, advice or warnings are advise, ask, bell, tell, order, followed by an infinitive. As this is indirect speech, we don't use question marks, they aren't needed. See an example. Direct. Do you want to meet Mark? Indirect. He asked me if I wanted to meet Mark. See this. When I was saying before that the introductory question, the introductory sentence here, he asked me, is what makes the question indirect. So we begin asking something, but there's a little sentence in front of it. That's what changes the direct into indirect speech. And then see that in the indirect one, we don't use question marks. Okay, what else? Word order is different from direct speech because indirects look like a statement. See the word order. Direct question, we have the W word and then the WH word, and then there's an inversion. So the first goes the verb and then the subject. For the indirect, first WH question or if, and this is the new change, subject plus verb, and this makes it look like a statement, a positive sentence, and that's the change. That's the big change. Look, when there is a WH word, we use it, we repeat it. See the example, what time it is it? He wanted to know what time it was. Right, repeat it. But we don't use the interrogative form of do. Do you know Betsy? This is a kind of yes-no question. He asked me if or whether I knew Betsy. Right, see that do changes into if or whether. Now, and this is the most common tense backshift, direct and indirect speech, reported speech. Some people say present simple, changing into past simple, past simple. It can stay past simple or past perfect. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect simple, changing or backshifting into past perfect. Simple, present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. That's the tenses. Future into conditional. Okay. Place back shift, same thing. There is reported here, changes into there. And this place changes into that place. Let's see next. Personal pronoun changes. Direct reported again, and see the changes I into he or she, you changing into I, he, she, we, and they. We can change into they, me, the object, him or her, you, him, her, us, them. Okay. Possessive, my, his or her, your, my, his, her, our, their, our into their, mine, his, hers, yours, mine, his, hers, ours, theirs, ours, mine, his, hers, ours, theirs. Same thing here. Time expressions. Now changes into then, today, tonight, that day, that night, this morning, that morning, yesterday, the day before, tomorrow, the following day, and last month, the month before. We're finishing. Right. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for watching. Right. So you can watch as many times as you wish. And if there are any questions, we'll have a look at them in class. Bye. Thank you.